Good day guys, welcome to the channel. In this video I'm giving you a small tutorial on how to use a app called Spark Email. So guys, this app is exactly what you think. It's for managing your email. So instead of using the stock way of using and managing your emails, for example going to the Google website or any other email you're using, and using the website and browser, you can use this app to manage your entire library, should I say, of your email. So you can of course compose, which is to send a new email. As you can see, we can write. And guys, don't worry about this empty screen. So there should be a lot of emails on here on this home screen. I just deleted them for the privacy purposes, but you will have all of your entire your home screen will be basically filled with your mails, incoming mails. And guys, also as you can see, we have a little calendar, should I say, that shows the date. So today is Monday, 14th of July, and you will have your, of course, corresponding latest mails that have been sent onto your email address. Also, as you can see, we have notifications, newsletters. This is basically, should I say, filters that basically they contain within them different types of mails, right? So in notifications, it's just your general mails from different apps. So as you can see, I have Bybit, I have Steam, etc., YouTube. So you will have the notifications. And newsletters, you know what that is. It's just promotion stuff, I guess. And also some of the news about some services. As you can see, we have Substack, BitGet, etc. that will basically tell you what's happening, the news. So just like I said, if you don't want to go to the browser, you can use this one. Now, in terms of the other things, we have a calendar as well. If you have a calendar synced with your mail, say, for example, Google, this is my Google account. You can manage your events, etc. in here. So as you can see, mine is blank because this is just a dummy account. But if yours is filled with information and stuff, you will have all of your meetings and basically calendar items in here. Also, what do we have in here as well? We have pins. You can create pins. Also, we have drafts. If you're maybe, you know, saving some draft mails that you're going to send or something, you can manage them here as well. Also, we have the sent mail, of course, the mail that you've sent to someone else, and we have trash. Also, in more, we have, as you can see, snooze, reminders. We can just, you know, browse different sections and filters of your mail easily. As you can see, also we have mentions. If you have any mentions, if someone maybe mentioned you on a service like Reddit or something, you can find them there. But in general, it's just a handy app to manage your inbox in your mail service, whatever you're using, from Microsoft or like Yahoo Mail or your Google. You will find it here, and you can easily manage. So that's pretty much how to use this app. It's very, very simple. As you can see, nothing complicated. Also, as you can see, show emails mark as done, and also we have you can change the view of your inbox. As you can see, simple list, unread cards, and focused list. So guys, if you enjoyed, press like on the video, and of course subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. See you soon.